LG Ultrawide 29US31AW29. Inch monitor review. Best budget ultrawide. Monitor for productivity? Looking for a budget ultrawide? Monitor that gives you more space without taking over your desk? The LG 29-inch ultrawide could be a very interesting option. But is it actually worth buying? Let's take a quick look. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. This LG Ultrawide features a 29-inch IPS display with a 21:9 aspect ratio and 2001:9 by 1080 resolution. The biggest advantage is the extra horizontal workspace, which makes multitasking much easier. You can comfortably keep a browser, documents, spreadsheets, or other applications side by side without constantly switching between windows. The IPS panel offers 178-degree viewing angles and up to 99% sRGB coverage with factory color calibration. Brightness is rated at 250 nits and HDR10 is supported. However, HDR here is more of a useful extra than a reason to buy this monitor, especially if you're expecting premium HDR performance. Another strong feature is the 100 Hz refresh rate with a 5 milliseconds QHD response time. Scrolling, moving windows, and everyday navigation should feel smoother than on a standard 60 Hz monitor. LG also includes features such as dynamic action sync, black stabilizer, game mode, and motion blur reduction. For connectivity, you get HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C, while the monitor also includes built-in 5-watt stereo speakers. The 3-side narrow bezel design gives it a clean, modern look, and the stand supports tilt adjustment. There are some compromises though. The 2560 by 1080 resolution provides excellent width, but it isn't as sharp as a 1440p ultrawide. Brightness is also fairly modest at 250 nits, and the stand doesn't provide height, swivel, or pivot adjustment. So, who should buy it? If you're mainly focused on productivity, multitasking, browsing, office work, or general everyday use, this LG offers a practical ultra-wide experience without going into premium territory. But if you need higher resolution, stronger HDR, or more ergonomic adjustment, you may want to consider a more advanced monitor. Overall, this LG is a solid choice if your priority is extra screen space and smooth, everyday performance at a sensible level. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what product you'd like to see next.